Rajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start the beautiful name of Allah, who is most gracious and merciful. Myself, Ms. Uzma Ghaffar, student of MCS Modern, Ghazi University, Dera Ghazi Khan. Today discuss about the topic accounting for corporation stockholders' equity. The corporation from our organization. The equity section for corporation have two sections in stockholders' equity. Capital stock showing the amount of types capital stock that has been issued and retained earning which represent net income retained in the corporation and not paid out of stockholders in the normal in the dividends. The account dividends that are amount paid out to stockholders has a normal debit balance and owner equity or stockholders. Equity made up of capital stock and retained earning have normal credit balance. A corporation is any entity created by law that is separate and distinct from its owners. Advantages and disadvantages of corporation. Advantages: separate legal existence, limit liability of stockholders, transferable ownership rights, ability to accrue capital, continuous life, corporate management, professional manager. Disadvantages: corporation management, separate of ownership, management, government regulation, additional tax. Ownership rights of stockholders. Each share of common stock gives the stockholders the following ownership rights: vote in the election of board of directors and in action that requires stockholders' approval. Share in corporate earning through the receipt of dividends. Maintain the same percentage ownership when additional shares of common stock are issued. Share in assets upon liquidation. Stockholders and equity. Stockholders' equity is the amount of assets remaining in a business after all liabilities have been settled. It is calculated as the capital given to a business by its shareholders plus donated capital and earning generated by the operation of the business, less any dividends issued. On the balance sheet, stockholders' equity is calculated as total assets minus total liabilities, stockholders' equity. An alternative calculation of stockholders' equity is share capital plus retained earning, treasury stock, stockholders' equity. Stockholders' equity. Both calculations result in the same amount of stockholders' equity. This amount appears in the balance sheet as well as the statement of stockholders' equity. A number of accounts comprise stockholders' equity, which typically include the following: common stock. Common stock, this is the par value of common stock, which is usually one or less per share. In some states, par value may not be required at all. Additional paid in capital, this is the additional amount that shareholders paid for their shares in excess for par value. The balance in this account used exceeds the amounts in the common stock accounts. Common stock is equal to total equity minus performed stock minus additional paid in capital minus retained earning plus treasury stock. Common stock 1,000, 1 lakh, and 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 100. Common stock 5 lakhs is equal to. Thank you for listening me.